Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's Koji. We will be recording the review of Ruroc Atlas 4.0. I got it a few months ago. I will be talking about what I got in the box, but also I will give you an honest review. So now we will open the amazing box, see what's inside. I already like the design and I love that there's like the track image as the background on the box. That is so smart. And as a graphic designer, I really appreciate this packaging. It's so beautiful. So let's get the helmet out. Here's the helmet. And also, I forgot to mention, but first when opening, you actually see the shockwave right here on top of everything. And shockwave is basically a communication system, same as Cardo, but for Ruroc. I've heard that people were having so many issues with it, so I'm using Cardo on all my helmets. Okay, so besides the helmet itself, the shockwave, we also have a pin lock to install on our visors. We also have two visors. Since I bought an extra visor for this helmet, since it's blue, I bought a blue visor. But originally you get a clear visor and the black visor that I will open in 1 second. I wanted to quickly add something about the rubber that is around. It's supposed to keep the wind noise a bit down for the truck helmet, but also keep the moisture, meaning that by adding this, your visor is supposed to not fog up so quickly. I never actually tried it before, so I'm not sure if it works. From what I heard, it does. So both visors, clear and black, and then inside of the helmet there's nothing basically left. It just, yeah, the design of it is crazy. They actually went crazy with it. And as I said, the fact that it's like a truck, it's so smart. Let's get now maybe to talking about the helmet. Let's do a little unboxing of the helmet itself. I wanted also to talk about the texture of this. It's so smooth and it feels so expensive compared to other brands, I don't know. So this is how the helmet is looking. In American dollars, it costs $679, which is quite a lot for a helmet. We're gonna test it out, we're gonna see. There are many different colors available of this helmet, including this ice blue, as we see here, which has a little bit of neon as well. There's also red, green, black, and I think Ruroc added a new one that is kind of like white-ish. We're gonna talk about details in 1 second, but I just love this. The spoiler, it looks so beautiful and so unique. I love it. It's of course for the track, for the wind, so that everything flows smoother. To change the visor, you just need to twist this and the visor comes out. Then you put this back with the new visor and that's pretty much it. Then when it comes to the locking mechanism right here, pretty easy to use as well. You just need to go through these and clip it right here. Another thing that I actually don't quite like about this helmet is this lock. It's really hard for some reason to get it to close and to open for me, but maybe it's because I'm just like super not used to it and it takes forever to do it. We have the DOT that is always required. We have another certification which is ECE, and then also British Motorcycle Sport certification, which is specifically just for UK. The airflows. Yes, on 4.0 they are actually open, but in track 1 they closed them for wind noise, but I feel like it gives you way less airflow, which for me is annoying as hell, but it was meant for the track, so that's understandable. When it comes to the shockwave, you actually put it right here. You just need to open it. It's magnetic. And then you have all the cables to connect it to. Let me close it now. Oh, yeah. I wanted also to include some honest opinions about this helmet. So the price, I won't lie, it's really expensive. Personally, I would not spend that much on this helmet. You're gonna also see me riding in it, as the design looks absolutely amazing and it matches my bike so well and it looks incredible. It is not as comfortable for me as the previous helmet, which was Ruroc 4.0. For some reason there's not as much airflow since they didn't want any wind noise. And because of that I was sweating actually a lot and I had a hard time breathing in this helmet while riding. Other than that, I feel like it's a bit lighter than 4.0, which is very nice. I think that the best thing about this helmet is just its design, because it's incredible and the color scheme is very interesting as well. I did not test out the Shockwave itself, I can't say much about it, but as I mentioned, I did not hear good reviews. Now you're gonna probably see me riding in it. It's gonna be probably just clips showing you guys the helmet and how it looks like while riding as well. Hope that you enjoyed that. Thank you.
I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second, this life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing, new focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption, just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm